It's the absolute chaos that is packing. And the weather doesn't look like it's going to be the same all week, so we've had to pack absolutely everything. Do you think you're taking enough?
It's how I pack. I just take everything I own.
Yeah.
That's really fine.
No, it's not. It's the duck Don and Gary got him. We hear it all the time. Yeah.
It's not just my stuff, it is Emma's stuff as well.
The stuff you're packing is just your stuff.
Yeah, but we are doing well because maybe this is the first time that we actually sharing a case. Potentially.
Yeah.
To be confirmed.
TBC, yeah. I have to do a super speedy get ready, and I've packed all of my main makeup-y bits, but I want to wear makeup today because we're having lunch with my sister and we're going seeing John's sister. So yeah, I want to wear makeup, but I don't know what I've got to put on my face. We'll figure it out, I guess. But John's just walking Louis. We did a super quick pack. Still got a few bits to pack, but mostly we're there. And then we can get on with a very busy day. Morning.
Morning.
It's been a morning.
It's been busy.
Yeah.
Yes. Emma packed most of her clothes yesterday and was at work, so I was all behind. So I woke up nice and early and get my clothes sorted.
Yeah, we're the day before France, so...
Yeah. So that's all done now, hopefully.
Yeah.
It's difficult because we don't know what weather's going to be. The weather says it's going to be rainy, but it's hot at the moment, so it could be hot. So
I imagine if it's rainy and this time it's going to be quite muggy.
yeah, so we almost got to pack for everything again.
To be honest,
difficult.
I don't really know why I have packed. Yesterday I just made piles of things that I might want to take and might not want to take, and then kind of narrowed it down a little bit. But then, you know, like when things are in the wash and you're like, oh, I'll take that.
Yeah.
And then, so I think mostly I've got shorts. Which is fine.
Yeah.
I'll be fine in the rain in shorts if it's raining.
Yeah.
But a couple of jumpers.
I think I just got everything. That's how I pack. I just take everything.
Yeah. Also, this morning I forgot to turn off my Vinted, and I've not made a Vinted sale in absolutely months. And then this morning I did, so I'll get that done today. We've got Sunday roast at my sister's.
We have. Yes, that's going to be nice. We're going to my sister's first now to do a food shop for France Click and Collect.
Yeah. We had a little look at their website yesterday just so that we knew like what was going on.
Yeah.
And you can translate the website to English, which makes it easier, but you know what you can't translate? The search bar. And so you type in things like garlic and it brings up like, I don't know, shoes or, you know.
Yeah, so you got to Google the French word for garlic and put that in the search bar and it's okay.
Yeah.
But it's a long process.
Also, I immediately forget everything I know in French. Yesterday we were like having a little look and I was like, oh, I know that word. And then we had to do that. So it's going to be a day today. Louis all excited.
He is, yeah. I don't know how he knows.
Just knows.
That it's tomorrow that we go. Yeah, bless him. He knows. But yeah, it's going to be a busy day to get organised. But hopefully by tonight we should be good to go and off we go.
Yeah, I still have to do holiday nails. Everybody's done holiday nails and I'm feeling very behind.
Yeah.
They've all got like little pictures on theirs. Mine, I'm not going to do that.
I've not done any.
No, I've not done holiday nails yet. But yeah, I think...
We've got a couple more things we've got to do when we get back. We're taking a few bits and pieces, like food-wise.
Like what?
Louis got stuff, in fact, got to get packed. His food's got to get packed. But
we have to do that so nonchalantly because we don't want him
I'll
getting
probably
excited.
try to pack the car. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, once we're all sorted, we can do some hotcakes for later. Because we eat early, so it might be nice to have that for later for what's nutri before we go tomorrow.
Yeah, we're doing Sunday roast at lunchtime. We normally do it at dinner, so...
Yeah, so we can do something for the evening.
It also doesn't feel like a Sunday today.
I know, I thought that when I was walking Louis earlier. Yeah,
thinking it's
because I was
Saturday.
working yesterday, I think. So yeah, that's nice. We go tomorrow, it's here now. We just got to get your final bits packed and sorted.
Yeah.
And then we're good to go. But we probably should head to my sister's because we might have been there 11 minutes ago.
Oh, really? I thought we were early.
Right.
I'd have been so late because I thought we were early.
Right then.
Okay, food shop is all done. We've ordered hopefully everything we need, But we are going to a market on the second day, so.
And I'm sure we'll go to a supermarket every day.
Yeah. So it was quite stressful because we don't have a French phone number, but we've figured it out. And now we're going for Sunday roast.
We are. I'm ready for it now.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
I am, yeah.
But it's quite warm today, isn't it?
It's toasty, 27 degrees, 28 degrees, yeah.
Toasty 27.
Nice.
But it was 2:00 lunch, but Sophie time, which is my sister. So now it's past. So hopefully we'll be there just in time, which worked out perfectly actually, because we needed a bit of extra time with your sister, didn't we?
Sorted, yeah. Seasonal's fine now. We had to sort a few things out for her. So that's all done. Ready for tomorrow.
We've got walkie-talkies and everything.
We have, yeah. Yes, I'm excited.
Me too. Dinner was yummy.
Dinner was very nice, but now it's a lot later than it should be.
Yeah.
And we got tons to do.
Yeah. And I've somehow been strong-armed. Is that what it's called? Bullied into a trip to Manchester. Literally the second we get back from Turkey. So, not super happy about that.
It'd be nice.
And John was a bad teammate and didn't stick up for me.
No. As your family said that we should see more family up in Manchester. I haven't been for a while and we probably should. So we're going to make a weekend of it, yeah. So it's the right thing to do and it'll be fun.
Yeah, right. But we're just popping to the shop. Unfortunately, it's Sunday, so none of the shops are open. But we're going to pop to the shop, then we have to get home and finish packing.
Honestly, we've got so much to do.
Yeah, so we're going to be busy tonight, but it'll be worth it for tomorrow, won't it?
It will be a bit like tomorrow, easier, hopefully. We're later than we thought we would, but I think it'll be fine. We haven't got tons to do, I don't think. He says.
Yeah.
It should be fine.
It'll be fine. Oh, also, I just learned that if you put a marshmallow in the microwave, it puffs up to like a giant marshmallow.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that, so I think we might buy some marshmallows and see if that actually is true.
We got to try that.
Yeah.
But obviously we had lunch fairly early, and we normally do, so we might need to get some for tonight.
Yeah.
After we finish packing. Hence why we're going to. We go on a garage. It's a big garage.
Shop, yeah.
It's a shop. So
they've got everything we need.
Yeah.
Oh, look, cows.
I like cows. I like their faces.
Oh, he's looking at us.
I like that black and white one.
Oh yeah, it looks like a horse.
Everything's just so dry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice though.
We're looking for a fancy bag for Louis.
You're the reason one.
Right. Can you get down like that? Oh. Louis gets to use my fancy Steve Madden bag now.
You haven't used this one for ages, have you?
No, it's just a tiny... I took it to Manchester when I went on my own that time.
Oh, yeah.
But it's just a tiny bit too small.
Well, it should be quite ideal for him.
But it should be fine for Louis stuff. And we remembered that I have to add our passport details. Well, we don't have
Well,
to.
we didn't remember. My sister told us.
Yeah. But I just want to show you because I never get anything new first.
I got another year on mine before I can get what you want. Yeah.
Did
I
we
don't
get,
think that's going to be the last time I hear that this week.
No. I was just wondering if France gave us a stamp last time. But yeah, we have to add passport details for the ferry. So I'm going to do that now. It just says it'll be easier if I do. So
I think like a pre-check-in, I guess. I'm just going to get things sorted. Start packing Louis' stuff, what we want to take. Like I said, it feels like we're taking a lot, but I don't think we are because we're packing for every eventuality, really.
yeah.
But yeah, I don't think it's going to take long when we get into it, really. We've done our clothes earlier, was good. Just do Louis' stuff now. We want to take some bits and pieces with us, like wine and stuff we got with us. We're going to get more. We bought some more in the food shop. But just the first night, we want to take a few wines, and we got like snacks we want to take as well. So yeah, just get things like that organised, and we should be pretty much
Are we putting that in the car now?
Yeah, saves us a job tomorrow, hopefully.
Yeah.
We should be fine in the car tonight. So we taking a bottle of wine, but Louis gets a bottle of wine as well.
Look how cute that is. It's posh pooch wine for
Christmas,
dogs.
isn't he?
Yeah.
So you can have that when we have the bottle of wine later.
Yeah, and it's got it's served over food.
Really?
Although some of us may prefer to be served as a drink.
Yeah, I thought we were just going to put it in a bottle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maximum serving 1 bottle a day.
Well, yeah, you'd be drunk if we.
But I think we're going to take it and let both the dogs try it
Of
out.
course, yeah.
We've got walkie-talkies too. What do you say?
What do you want?
How do you make them? Is it that button?
Yeah, big one.
What do these ones do? Roger, Roger, over. Oh no, that one says speak. Oh, no, not that one. Oh, that's where the button. I'm rubbish at it. Roger, Roger, over. 10-4.
How many candles you burning?
How many candles you burning? I don't like that one. Sounds weird. Okay, so I'm just doing an update on the drone. We're hoping to fly it in France, so it needs So it needs updating, because it always needs updating. And then we need to charge the batteries. Louis got a lot to say today.
I'm going to turn all the text up on this packing things.
Yeah.
Standard.
Okay, I think that's the updates on that done.
Nice.
So we just need to charge the batteries. Because I assume we will want it for the stop on the way down.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Feel like we're forgetting stuff. It's been a bit of a rush. Yeah, we shouldn't have went out today. It's getting late and we've got a lot to do. But we're getting there.
Yeah.
Slowly. Yeah, I think we just got to do the bits we want to take, finish the clothes, and I think we're there, hopefully.
That's not that many
And
things.
hopefully I've got nothing.
It still feels like a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I've got you for 2 weeks.
Yeah, but I think this is less than Scotland, no? Is it?
I don't know. Maybe. It's a lot of stuff. But it's what we need, maybe, hopefully.
John always says his car is bigger, so
Yeah.
it's time to put that to the test. Louis is getting all excited and trying to unpack everything as well. Oh gosh, this is what my hair looks like up, so sorry about that. I think we're near enough there. It's just like any fresh food. We're not taking any fresh food, but Louis' dog food is frozen and then it defrosts. So we don't want to put the wet dog food with all the other stuff. But that's fine. We're nearly there now. Also, we've got no room in the car.
I make room for that.
Yeah.
Right. I can't believe how many days go. It's, what is it? 8 o'clock at night.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
I thought we were watching YouTube by now.
Well, we will be in, half an hour?
Yes, put us in the car,
Yeah.
walk Louis, and that's it. Watching
Yeah.
YouTube, chill out, have a rolls.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we need to get in there.
Louis is doing inspections. No, Louis is inspecting all of the bags.
Okay.
Okay.
In all fairness, that's definitely better than Scotland.
Yeah.
I mean, we're going for less time, but that's
Not much less, really, though.
not really, no, but that's definitely better than Scotland.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, to be fair, we have got a lot of stuff on.
Yeah.
We've got flat stuff.
We could put more coats in or anything.
To be fair, it might be best to take the coats out of the bag and then on top.
You got shoes in there as well, have you?
No, she's in that one.
Oh, because we can think about it then. Right. It's all in. We're so good at Tetris. like amazingly good at Tetris. You don't know what's happening, do you? You're going on holidays. And just like that, we're about to watch one of John's favourite YouTubers.
I love him.
Beard Meets Food.
Yeah, this is what I want to do when I'm older.
Yeah.
I love to do that as a job.
Every time we watch these, John says, I could do that.
I could, yes. I don't know how interesting today was for you guys. It's been a bit of a hectic day.
It does feel it, yeah.
It's all done now. It's all sorted. We can relax now for the evening, the rest of the evening, and we can get going tomorrow. I'm excited now.
Yeah, me too. Also, I'm impressed with how little we've packed. It looked like a lot in the house. It did look like a lot in the house. But it doesn't look like a lot in the car.
But it's not rammed in the car. I don't know if we packed it better in the car, but yeah, it's way more room than we had for Scotland.
Because we were like piled high going to Scotland. So.
What's amazing, yeah, we've got loads of room. The seat's not even down. What's amazing.
No. And like most of what we're, like not most of it, but a lot of what we're taking is like bits and bobs of food and stuff. Yeah. So that won't be coming back either.
No, and I thought we had more. I thought we were taking more than we are actually taking. So that's great. We say we got click and collect picking up on a way tomorrow at 5:30, 6 o'clock. Hope that works. But yeah, I think we sorted now. Just ready for the drive now. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, we never said actually. Doing the click and collect online was pretty easy. The only snag was we don't have a French phone number.
No.
So we put in where we're staying's phone number.
Yeah.
And we're fingers crossed hoping that'll be fine.
I think it will be because we had a confirmation email. We got a QR code on the email, so I'm guessing when we turn up, they're just going to scan that, and that's our order. We can add to the order up until tomorrow, I guess it said. So I think it just, it's like Tesco's when we do that all the time. We just obviously put our phone number in.
Oh, but the search bar stayed French.
Yeah.
We didn't mention, I don't know if we mentioned that earlier.
I don't know, but yeah, so if you was looking for bread, you had to work out what the French word for bread is and type it in that way.
Yeah.
It was fine once you worked that out. We just was...
John worked it out, actually. I was still trying to argue with it. But we're going to watch Bear Meets Food and then we're going to go to bed.
We are, yeah. I'm a bit tired now.
Yeah.
I'm glad we went for your sisters for dinner, so we don't have to worry about that now.
Yeah.
We're just going to eat our baguettes or whatever later. But I'm ready to chill out now. Ready for tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
It's been a day. It feels like it.
I wonder what Louis thinks is going on.
Well, he's quite chilled.
He keeps bringing us his ball to pack.
He's normally a bit more sort of... Stressed, yeah. But he seemed quite chilled today. It was nice.
Maybe he knows he's coming.
Yeah, hopefully. He's cost us enough to come.
Yeah. Anyhow, we hope this was a little bit interesting. If it wasn't, then sorry, the next one will be.
They will get better. Yeah, it's just been a hectic day.
And thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.